Hello everyone, welcome to this module on right to freedom, right to the freedom of religion. We are going to discuss about the constitutional provisions which has guaranteed everyone to enjoy and follow the religion of his or her choice. This freedom is considered as a hallmark of democracy. Now, this is mentioned very clearly in the articles from 25 to 28. Why it is considered as a hallmark of democracy? Because if you see history, there were rulers and emperors in different parts of the world who did not allow the residents of their countries to enjoy the right to freedom of religion. We have rulers who forced the members of the nation, the citizens or empire, to practice the religion what the ruler is practicing, what is declared as official, and everybody has to follow the same religion. In history, we have such kind of rulers who forced people to convert their religion. And if you don't follow that, a person who is not following the religion what the king or the emperor is practicing and he is following a different religion, then the ruler were either persecuting the person or forcing them to convert to the official religion of the rulers. These kind of practices were prevalent during the medieval period and in some parts in the modern period also. Even in the present day, there is no freedom of religion in few countries. But when it comes to democracy, the democracy has always incorporated the freedom to follow the religion of one's choice as one of its basic principles. So, in democracy, it is very clearly mentioned about the freedom of religion. You can practice any religion of your choice. Nobody can force you to convert your religion to another religion. How it happened in history will not happen in a democratic setup. That is the reason why it is mentioned very clearly in the constitution itself. It is a constitutional right that you can practice any religion of your choice, and it is a fundamental right that nobody can object your right, nobody can violate this right. So right to freedom of religion is one of the key ideas that is being implemented in democratic societies. Example in India. That's all we have in this module. Stay tuned. We'll catch you in the next one.